Got my acrylic case right here, and what I want to do is raise it up to make it look more fancy, make it look a little better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build a box to put it on, and I'm just gonna use some wood, so it'll be like about 1.5 inches higher, the wood I got. So what I'm gonna do is take some measurements, and this is about 13.25 inches by 10 inches. So I'm gonna go get the wood and cut it, and then I'll be back. Alright, here's the wood I'm using. It's some poplar wood, just got from Lowe's. 1 inch by 2 inch by 6 foot piece I cut up. It's actually about 1.5 inches this way, and then it's not 1 inch thick. You can see it's like more like 3/4. Alright, so I got my miter box set up. Got the wood clamp measured. Alright, and these offcuts, I'll use this to put in the middle because the plastic will be sitting up on the box frame, and so in the middle the weight could bend the plastic. So I'll stick this, since it's the same height, underneath the box. Got the pieces put together and glued. Again, this is the glue I use, just some wood glue. Any kind of wood glue will work. Kind of get it clamped around, got some weights on it, and then I'll come back when it's dry. Alright, it's been about 12 hours, so take these weights off and clamps. Got some plastic under it. Alright, now we can, I'll touch up a little bit of sanding around where the glue seeped a little bit, and then get it primed. Alright, get ready to primer it right here. I already did the other side, now I'm going to do the bottom. Okay, now I'm getting ready to put the black color on there, and it's just a metallic black. It's got a little bit of gloss to it. I'll do 2 or 3 coats of this. Okay, I've got it set up. And like I said, I put a couple offcuts in the center because this figure I'm going to put in there is a little heavy, and then the plastic is thin, so I don't want it bowing. So I'm going to put this Joker quarter scale in there for now. And what I can also do, so it'll look like this. This is the same display case, another one. So I've got it sitting on the frame I built, and this one, this Harley Quinn is taller than the box, so I cut a hole. I cut a circle in there for her base to sit inside, so that I could, you know, keep the dust off her clothes. So I just used my Dremel and traced the circle and then cut it out. So I used masking tape to do a rough circle around the base, and now I'm using the Dremel tool. Poke little holes all the way around, and then I'm just taking this bit right here to dig it out. Here's the plastic circle piece I cut out. That's an idea if the case isn't quite tall enough. Got the Joker in there.